Hello everyone, welcome to a French class with Zip Study. In this class, we are going to learn about ER ending verbs. So firstly, from starting this session, I will know that what is the meaning of ER ending verbs. If you know, you can just write down in the comments. If not, I will tell you. ER ending verbs means that the verbs which end with ER. This is the simple definition for ER ending verbs. In this video, I have taken an example of parlor. There are n number of examples in this whole world if you find out. So I have taken a simple example, parlor. I know that the pronunciation that I am pronouncing, it's a bit different, but you can always check it out in the Google or in any, anything. I'm pronouncing it in a better way for you all that you will always understand the spelling, but you should also know the pronunciation as well. Parler means to speak. Now, before these verbs, we should always add some basic verbs. For example, je, tu, il, nous, vous, ils, else. Now, these all words, the meaning of these all words are for J, I, to, you. Il means he or she. Nous means we. Vous means they. Vous means they, and ils else also means they. The same as per your he or she. Now we will understand that what are the endings of these ER verbs. So with J, if you are adding parler with J, so the ending will be changed as firstly you will remove this ER from the verb, and then you will simply add E to it. I know that you can also remove R from it, but it will be better for you if you remove ER from the verb. Now we'll move to parler. So now this means that you are removing ER from the last and then you are adding ES. Similarly with L and L, parler. You are removing ER and then adding E to it. Similarly with nous, you are just removing ER and adding ONS. Similarly with vous, you are removing ER and then adding EZ. Similarly with ils and else. It means that you are removing ER and then adding ENT. Now, these all verbs, this happens in all the ER ending verbs. You will add these verbs before the verb and then you will add the endings as well. Now we will wrap up this session with some steps. So the steps for conjugating ER verbs. Firstly, if you will add if you will conjugate the ER verbs, you will always and always remove the ER from the verb. It's clear? Now you will add the endings that are E, ES, E, ONS, ES, EZ and ENT as per the words. That could be J, tu, LL. Now you will be wondering that why we use these words. We use these words to make or to conjugate a sentence. For example, if you want to say that she speaks English, so you will say elle parle anglais. If you want to say that he speaks English, you will say il parle anglais. If you want to say that I speak English, so you will say je parle anglais. Similarly with all these words, you can find out at your place. And now we will wrap up this session with a wonderful thank you. And if you liked my video, you can hit the like button and press the notification bell with the subscribe button as well. And if any doubt, you can always leave in the comment section. Thank you for watching.